Okay, so today we're going to be doing 7.5, which is applying properties of logarithms. We're going to start off with your terms to know. The first one you should know is base, which is the number or expression that is used as a factor in a repeated multiplication. Next we go on to product property, which is log b parentheses m times n equals log bm plus log bn. Next we have quotient property, which is log b parentheses m divided by n, which would equal log bm minus log bn. Then we have power property. It goes on to log bm raised to the nth, which would equal n log b times m. Okay, and well, down here, we're going to look back and see how logarithms relate to exponents, and it'll give you a clearer vision of how they're used. Okay, so for example A, it's log with a base of 2 times 8 equals 3, and that relates to 2 cubed equals 8. And then for B, we have log with a base of 4 equals 0 because 4 raised to the 0 equals 1. For C, we have log with a base of 12 times 12 equals 1, which relates to 12 to the exponent of 1 equals 12. And then for D, we have log and 1/4 to the 4th power equals negative 1, because 1/4 to the negative 1 power equals 4. And now we go on to the actual lesson. And we're going to start with product property. And looking back on the properties of exponents, the product of powers property for that would be a raised to the m times a raised to the n equals a raised to the m plus n. Now, looking at the product property of logarithms, log b m times n equals log bm plus log bn. And then you just plug and chug. Like for example, log to the base of 4 times 3, it's approximately 0.792. So then you would just plug that in. And also, log to the base of 4 times 7 is approximately 1.404, and those are both given to us. So in the example problem, log to the base of 421, you would use the product property and change that to log times, 3 times 7. And then you would change that, and it would be log to the base of 4, 3, plus log to the base of 4, 7. And since they were given to you, you would just plug in, and it would be approximately 0.792 plus 1.404, which would give you the answer of approximately 2.196. And now we go on to the quotient property. And as you remember, as I said in the beginning, the quotient property is log b parentheses m divided by n, which would equal log b m minus log b n. Okay, an example to us would be log 4, 3 equals approximately 0.792, which was we already said, and log 4, 7, which would be approximately 1.404. Those were both given to us. And if you put it in the quotient property, that would be log 4 parentheses 3 over 7, since it's divided. And that would equal log 4, 3 minus log to the base of 4, 7. And you would just plug those both in, and you would get 0.792 minus 1.404. And then you would get your answer that way. And now we go into the power property. And the power property is log bm raised to the n. And that would equal n log bm. So we would have log base of 4 times 49, and that would be log base of 4, 7 squared, since 49 is 7 squared. So then using the power property, you would get 2 log base 4 times 7, which would be 2 times 1.404, since we said log base 4, 7 equals approximately 1.404. You would just plug that back in here, and you would get approximately 2.808.